fellow composers, and welcome to the Composing Cook. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you my take on the traditional Greek chicken gyro. Can you say that? Gyro. Or gyros, or gyro.
Or flavoured chicken.
Or flavoured chicken. Gyro. Say it after me. Gyro.
Flavoured chicken.
Perfect. That'll do. Okay. To begin with, I've got some skinless and boneless chicken thighs here.
That always helps in a chicken dish.
Absolutely, doesn't it just? Okay, I've got approximately 1 kilogram here. What I'm going to do with it, I'm going to cut it into strips, okay? I'll just show you quickly with one. You just want rough strips like this. Just like that, okay? Just like that. Throw it in a bowl. Aaron, speedy, gone, now. Chopped up nicely. Now we need to add flavour. Okay. What I have here, and I've got to try and remember what all these are now. All right.
We've got no hope then.
We've got 3 cloves of garlic which have been crushed, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, about 3 pinches crushed chilies, 1.5 tablespoons dried thyme, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1.5 tablespoons oregano, which is dry. Now, you probably thought, oh, that's nice and easy. Yes, it is very easy. However, I'm going to add some coriander seeds. Now, I've gone for fresh coriander seeds because they do give a different taste rather than the dry stuff. Not the dry stuff.
Powder?
Powdered stuff, yeah. So I'm actually going to use my pestle and mortar and give this a good grind.
Is that what the app Grinder's about?
Grinder is all about how you can grind different things together.
Ah.
You just grind and grind away. This is good arm action. There we go, that'll do. See that? Perfect. Can you smell it? Doesn't it smell gorgeous? All right, so all these bits, in they go. In go your coriander seeds. And to that, I'm going to add 80 millilitres of vegetable oil. 80 millilitres of vegetable oil. Juice of half a lemon. So that's a juice of half a lemon.
Yeah, I was going to say you got it right. I wasn't going to pick you up on it, but since you did.
Yeah, you see, I'm learning. 1 teaspoon. I'm using cider vinegar or white wine vinegar. Okay, that'll do. And a good grinding of pepper. There we go. Now, get in with your best tools, that's your hands, and give it a good mix. And that is your gyro, more or less, ready to be fried off. And there we go, okay? Now, you can fry it straight off like this, or you can put it in the fridge to marinate for 30 minutes, for an hour, for 2 hours. You can even leave it overnight.
Basically, it doesn't matter then.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Just whenever. You can actually make this the day before, put it in the fridge, you've got guests, at least it's already, just fry it up when they get there, and it's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for half an hour because I can. Okay, so I've taken a gyro out of the fridge, and now I'm gonna cook it. There we go, see it there? I've got a pan on the heat. I'm letting it get quite warm. I haven't put any oil in the pan simply because it's a non-stick pan, and also there's oil on here already so it shouldn't stick. Now, you can either cook this in batches, but to be honest with you, stuff that. I'm gonna throw it all in.
Shove it all in.
Shove it all in. Oh, listen to that sizzle. All you have to do is let it fry away nicely and just give it a turn now and again. It should probably take about 10 minutes to cook till it's nice and golden. While I'm stood here, I think we need to do a like, subscribe and hit the bell notification button. It's coming along nicely, people, isn't it? It's getting there. It's looking good. also very important that you do use skinless and boneless chicken thighs. Thighs are a much more succulent part of the chicken and it's just so much more juicier.
Moist.
Perfect. That's exactly what you want. Yes. All I need to do now is put them in a nice bowl. Let's turn that off. So we've made the chicken gyro, which is right here. We obviously need things to accompany it. So I've made my chips, I've made the tzatziki, and I've made the Greek salad. Now, I will link all the videos together so that they follow one another, so you know exactly how I've made all these dishes. But let's build one. I'm using a wrap. You can use whichever flatbread you like. I just think it's easier with a wrap. Let's do it. I think we'll begin with some tzatziki. Like so. Let's get the chicken on there. A little bit more. There we go.
Don't overstuff it.
True. Chips. I'm going to use my hands. It's fine.
You're
I can't
overstuffing
help it. I know, it's so easy just to overstuff it, isn't it? There we go. And the Greek salad. I'm going to just mix it up a little bit. You don't have to do a Greek salad for this. If you want to just use tomatoes, cucumbers, just sliced up, that's absolutely fine. I just like to do it like this and put the salad in it like this.
Can I just remind you that my gin's getting warm and my dinner's getting cold?
There we go, look at that. Now all I've got to do is wrap it.
Yeah, good luck on that.
Yeah, thanks. I'm not gonna tuck the corners in because I ain't got room, okay? Come on. Yes. Yep. This is what it's all about.
Say goodbye, Michael, because we're going in.
Right. Make it. Enjoy it. Savour every mouthful.
I would if I could.
You will love it. Mwah!
Thank God for that, I'm starving.